Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to solve this error which has been recently occurring in all the in all the Textplus applications for everyone because of a certain Textplus update. Well, I have already posted a video showing you guys how to resolve the problem, and this video's link will be in the description and the first comment and a pinned comment. So guys, please go take a look at that video and just continue this video only if that video is not working. If the videos the previous video, this video just works, then you do not have to come watch this video right now which you're watching. So that video would actually solve most of the people's problem, and only watch this video if the problem is still not yet resolved. So guys, well, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button, to subscribe button in order to receive regular updates from my channel. Guys, I will be opening my Textplus application and I will be showing you something very interesting. Yeah, take a look at this. The date which I'm recording this video is 20 December. Well, the problem has been going on from the October 13th, I guess. I'm not sure about the date. It's from the TextNow recent update. Well, take a look at this message. Congratulations, your new phone number is. Be sure to send a message. Okay, that's it. I got this. I obtained my number today at 11:25 p.m. It was actually on an accident I obtained this number, but well, I tried it out. I tried it out on two of my more accounts on my other two devices, and it actually works. We'll take a look at this. My Textplus number. Well, and now this is going to be a complete hands-on video. I'm going to show you the complete hands-on tutorial of how I obtained the number. I obtained the number by using an application known as Nextplus. Nextplus is an application from the same Textplus company. As you can see, there are two applications released from the Textplus Corporation. It's going to be Textplus and Nextplus. Well, right now errors are only occurring in the Textplus application, and Nextplus has no errors. So all I did was that I installed the Nextplus application. As you can see, I logged in using the same email address which I am using the Textplus account, but this is my Nextplus account. Okay, both of it has the same interface, but take a look at the message over here. This is my Nextplus number, not my Textplus number. And see, this is the Nextplus application, and this is my Textplus application. Well, both has the same numbers, same stuffs and everything, but they are two different applications. All you have to do is that I install this application. It has no errors right now, and even if it has an error, I actually posted a video to solve the Textplus sign up problem, and if you just solve that simple problem, you'll be able to easily obtain a number. And once you obtain a number in the Textplus application, that number will also be available in your Textplus application. Well, I actually recorded the video of how I got or obtained the number. Now I'll be showing you the steps by playing the video. Well, this is the Nextplus application. I am actually signing in with the same email address. See, it took me into the same account. This is actually a Nextplus account. As you can see, I got a notification from the Nextplus number. I chose the free number bundle. I clicked on the continue. I chose my state. As usual, it's going to be New York. And over there, I chose my country code. As usual, it's again going to be 315. And all I did was that I just clicked on the get a custom number. And when I just clicked, boom, I just obtained my number. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. It was not a video which was, the video which I showed you previously was not an older video or something. As this is the proof, I just got this number today at 11:25. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Just follow the same steps and obtain a number for yourself. And if you obtain a number, just please leave it in the comment section, so no one comments here that this video is fake or something. So guys, I am posting you guys this video on this secret trick, and I checked out all over YouTube. No one has actually posted this trick before. So guys, I'm the first one to post this trick. So just go click on thumbs up button below this video in order to support my channel. Like I told you, if you're not a subscribe to the channel, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button, and the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. So guys, once again, thanks for watching my video. Well, this is me Surya Prakash signing off. Let's meet again in tomorrow's video. Until then, bye.